Question 8, which statement is true regarding the functions shown on the graph? And we'll look at the four answer choices and notice it has to do with how many real solutions this each function has in this problem. So over here, and you should have this in your notes, but this is what a problem with two real solutions looks like graphically. You can see two real solutions means the graph crosses the x-axis in 2 points, or touches in 2 points. One real solution, the graph is going to touch the x-axis once, and then two imaginary solutions means the graph doesn't touch the x-axis at all. And of course, all of these are U-shaped graphs, but essentially the reflection of that could be true. These could be upside down U's like graph P is, and the same rules apply. So let's start with, in fact, graph P. So we look at graph P here. Does it touch the x-axis at all? No. So that means graph P is going to have two imaginary solutions, or two complex solutions. Graph M, this one here, how many times does it touch the x-axis? Well, you can see it just kind of bounces off the x-axis, but it does touch it once. So that means it has one real solution. Graph N touches the x-axis twice. So it has two real solutions. It touches here and it touches here. Let me choose a different color for this last one. This last one, R, touches the graph once here. And although we can't see it, we know it's going to touch a second time over here. So graph R also has two real solutions. So looking at the four answer choices, the first answer choices, function R and function P, both have no real solutions. We know that's not true because we just said R has two real solutions. Second choice is function R has no real solutions. No, we just said function R has two real solutions. Third choice, function M, which is this one, and function N, which is this one, both have no real solutions. That is not true because one of them has one real and the other one has two real. So it must be this last one. Function P has no real solutions. Yeah. This is true because function P, we said it had two solutions, but we said they were imaginary, which is essentially means they are non-real solutions. So that is our answer choice to this one.